Hi guys, good evening. I just came home from work. This is my second week of training in my new job for Delta, and I came home tonight and I just got a big surprise. Ta-da! I got my uniforms plus a cat. Joke. These are my cats. All right, I got my shirts. What else do I have here? I got my gray pants. There you go, my gray pants. I got my belt. Yay! I got my, what's this? My vest? Oh no, this is my sweater. It's my cardigan. Cardigan sweater. This is my vest. Yeah. Oh, my coat, my coat, my coat. I got my skirt. All right. My other pants, because I ordered 2 pants. And my 4 shirts. So, got 3. 1 here, 3 here, and then I got another one there. And I got my other vest, and I got my, what's this, my little hanky that you put in your side pocket. Oh, I got this that you put in the neck, on your neck. I got 2, and I got another one, plus I got a Delta lanyard, and then I got another, it says outfit number 2, so I don't know, I already have 3 outfits here, and it says outfit number 2, so let's see what this is. Suit 2. Oh! Oh! My jacket! My Delta jacket! Yay! All Lands End. Alright, so I guess I'm ready. Oh! I got another one here on. Alrighty. So you guys, I'm so excited right now. I can't wait to start working my regular shift. But for now, I'm on my week 2 of training, and we still have to do 3 more weeks of training, paid of course, 40 hours per week. And yeah, so I'm so excited, and I'll be seeing you at the desk. Bye.